Here's how to fix the Telegram code if it's not sending on your iPhone. Now, if you're trying to log into Telegram, but it's not texting you the code to be able to log in, I'll show you how to fix it. But first, hit the subscribe button down below. It really helps me out. Thanks, guys. Now, the first thing you're going to do is swipe down from the top right, and we're going to check two things. The first one is do not disturb or any other focus mode. So if you tap on it and say you have do not disturb turned on or anything else, you're just going to toggle those off. After you've done that, you're going to also try to just turn airplane mode on to disconnect from Wi-Fi and mobile data, and then just turn it back off to reconnect to everything. See if that fixes it. If it doesn't fix it, let's head it back into your settings. And from your settings, the first thing we'll do is tap on cellular, and then make sure cellular data and cell data roaming is turned on. If this is off, just toggle it back on. Now, after we've done that, we're going to also check the settings for your messages. So go back to the beginning of your settings, scroll down to the very bottom, and tap on apps at the bottom. Now, from here, all you need to do is scroll down until you find messages on this list and tap on that. And we're going to do two different things on here. One is we're going to scroll down and you'll see screen unknown senders. If this is turned on, this will prevent you from being able to get those text messages, or it just might screen them and put them somewhere else. So I would recommend turning that off and turning off filter spam as well. Now, keep in mind, after you've done that, I would also go up and toggle iMessage off for a second. So you're going to disconnect from iMessage and then just reconnect to it by toggling it back on. This will reactivate your iMessage, and you'll be able to see waiting for activation, and then it will go through the process of reactivating it. Now, after you've done that, there are some other steps that you can take as well. Let's go back to the very beginning of your settings, and towards the bottom there, tap on General. Now we're going to check your VPN. Scroll down to the very bottom, tap on VPN and device management. If you have a VPN that you're currently connected to, I would recommend disconnecting from that VPN. Or if you don't have a VPN, you might want to try considering downloading a VPN app onto your iPhone and essentially connecting through a VPN and seeing if at that point the message or the code comes through. If it still doesn't, the next thing we can do is go to the Telegram app, and we're going to long press on it, hit remove app, and delete the app, and then delete. So delete out the entire app, but just reinstall it. So head back into the App Store. Let's search, and we will search for Telegram. Now keep in mind, when you go through this process, it doesn't delete your messages because all your messages are just saved through Telegram. So just reinstall the Telegram app and then open it up, and it might ask you for the code again. So just enter in your phone number and get that code. If it still doesn't work, the last thing that you can do is go back into your settings here. We'll go back to the very beginning of your settings. And from here, we're going to tap on General towards the bottom. Now, from here, just scroll down to the bottom, tap on Transfer or Reset iPhone. And then we're going to choose to reset all of your network settings. A lot of times this fixes the issue. Just enter in the passcode for your phone and reset all of those network settings back to factory default. Hope this helps. If it did, hit the like button down below and leave a comment if you still have any questions. Thanks, guys.